The crypto market is a roller coaster, we all know that. It's a wild ride with dizzying highs and gut-wrenching lows, and it can change in the blink of an eye. But even seasoned investors get that knot in their stomach when they see a sea of red. The fear is palpable and the uncertainty can be overwhelming. It's 2025 and fear is gripping the market once again. Headlines scream of a market crash and the air is thick with anxiety. Bitcoin, the bellwether, is down 8%. Ethereum down 12%. The giants of the crypto world are taking a beating. And XRP, the crypto that always seems to spark debate, down a significant 17%, trading at $1.76. Panic selling is rampant, people are scared. They're reacting out of fear, they're selling at a loss, driven by the primal urge to cut their losses and run for the hills. It's a classic case of fight or flight, and most are choosing flight. But is that the smart move? Is it wise to let fear dictate your actions in such a volatile market? Is this really the time to abandon ship? One man says no. He believes in holding firm, even when the storm is raging. He's not just any man, he's a top software engineer, a man who understands technology and the disruptive power of crypto. He sees beyond the immediate chaos. His name is Vincent Van Code, and he's not selling. He has a vision and a strategy that goes beyond the current turmoil. He's holding on to his XRP, and he's got good reasons why. In the face of fear, he stands resolute, believing in the long-term potential of his investments. Vincent Van Code isn't your typical crypto bro. He's not in it for a quick buck or to follow the hype. Vincent is a builder, an architect of complex systems. He understands the technology underpinning cryptocurrencies. He sees the potential, the long game. And he's not fazed by the FUD, the fear, uncertainty, and doubt swirling around the market. Vincent is convinced that this downturn is driven by fear, not fundamentals. He sees XRP's underlying value proposition, its speed, scalability, and low cost, as strong as ever. He points to its real-world use cases in cross-border payments and its growing adoption by financial institutions. For Vincent, this dip is a blip, a temporary setback in a much larger upward trajectory. So, if the fundamentals are still strong, why is XRP down? Vincent believes there are several factors at play, none of which are unique to XRP or even crypto. He points to the recent turmoil in the global markets. A brewing trade war has wiped trillions off the stock market. Investors are nervous, and that nervousness has spilled over into the crypto market. Vincent also points out that crypto is still a relatively new asset class. It's volatile by nature. Big swings are to be expected. He compares it to the early days of the internet. There were booms and busts, periods of euphoria and despair. But through it all, the internet grew, evolved, and ultimately transformed the world. Vincent believes crypto is on a similar trajectory. Section 4. A look back, a leap forward, historical context, and future potential. Remember when XRP surged from 54 cents to $3.40? That was just a few months ago. The catalyst? Positive sentiment around the new US administration's pro-crypto stance. The point is, sentiment matters. And right now, sentiment is being influenced by fear and uncertainty in the broader markets. But Vincent believes this too shall pass. He sees a future where crypto is mainstream, where digital assets are integrated into every aspect of our lives. He sees central banks issuing their own digital currencies, using blockchain technology to create a more efficient and transparent financial system. Section 5. The institutional wave, a rising tide for crypto. One of the most significant developments in the crypto space in recent years has been the influx of institutional investors. BlackRock, Fidelity, even JP Morgan, they're all dipping their toes into crypto. These aren't your typical risk-hungry speculators. They're institutions with trillions of dollars under management, and they're not known for making reckless bets. Vincent believes this institutional interest is a major vote of confidence in the future of crypto. These institutions are doing their due diligence. They're seeing the same potential that he sees, and they're betting big on the future of digital assets. Section 6. The global chessboard, unseen forces at play. Now, Vincent is also a realist. He understands the intricacies and the hidden layers that often govern the financial markets. He knows that the financial world is a complex game, often played in the shadows. The stakes are high and the players are powerful. He doesn't rule out the possibility of market manipulation. In fact, he considers it a likely scenario in many cases. He believes that powerful entities, perhaps even governments, could be strategically shorting the market, driving down prices so they can buy back in at a lower cost. This kind of manipulation can have far-reaching consequences. He even subscribes to the theory of a global financial reset. This theory suggests that the current financial system is on the brink of a major overhaul. He sees the current system as unsustainable, ripe for disruption. The signs are everywhere, from the increasing debt levels to the volatility in the markets. He believes that central banks and governments are using crypto as a tool to reshape the global financial order. This could be a way to transition to a new system. It's a bold theory, one that sounds like something out of a spy novel. Yet, the more you delve into it, the more plausible it seems. But in the world of high finance, anything is possible. The lines between reality and fiction often blur, making it a fascinating yet unpredictable arena. Section 7. Ride the Waves, a call to patience and research. So what's Vincent's advice to those caught in the current crypto storm? Don't panic, ride the waves. The market is inherently volatile and it's crucial to stay calm and composed. This isn't the first, and it won't be the last time the market experiences a downturn. History has shown us that markets recover, and those who remain patient often see the best returns. He uses an analogy that resonates. We're swimming with whales. These large market movers can create waves, but they also present opportunities. It's going to be turbulent at times. The key is to stay the course and not let short-term fluctuations derail your long-term strategy. But if we keep our heads above water, we'll come out stronger on the other side. Resilience and perseverance are essential traits for any investor. Vincent urges everyone to do their own research. In a market filled with noise, it's vital to base your decisions on solid information and thorough analysis. Don't just follow the herd. Independent thinking can often lead to better investment choices. Understand what you're investing in. Knowledge is power, and understanding the fundamentals can help you navigate the market more effectively. And most importantly, have a long-term perspective. Short-term gains can be tempting, but the real value often lies in holding on to your investments. The crypto market is still in its infancy. We're just beginning to see the potential of blockchain technology and its applications. The real winners will be those who can see beyond the short-term volatility and recognize the transformative potential of this technology. Innovation often comes with growing pains, but the rewards can be substantial. So, what do you think? Are you prepared to weather the storm and come out stronger? Is Vincent right to hold on to his XRP? His strategy might seem risky to some, but it's grounded in a belief in the long-term potential of the market. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your insights and experiences can help others navigate this complex landscape. Let's keep the conversation going. Together, we can learn and grow as investors. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support helps us create more content to guide you through the crypto world.